Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Agar is a gelatinous polysaccharide derived from seaweed that provides a stable, solid growth matrix for fungal cells and mycelium in laboratory contexts. It is inert as a gelling agent, but can be combined with nutrient sources to support visible colony development and hyphal expansion. Understanding agar means recognizing the role of media composition, pH, and purity in biological experiments, and appreciating that different formulations influence texture, clarity, and suitability for particular fungal species. When considering any hands-on microbiology work, prioritize biosafety, legal compliance, and ethical responsibility. Cultivational activities can spread spores, cause contamination, or run afoul of regulations if done improperly. Do not attempt experimental culture work without suitable containment, training, and permits where required. Instead, seek supervised learning through community biology labs, accredited workshops, or academic courses that provide proper equipment, waste management, and mentorship so you can gain practical experience while reducing risk. If your goal is to observe mycelial growth without undertaking risky preparation, choose safe alternatives such as commercially prepared, sterile media, or pre-poured agar plates designed for hobbyist use. Enroll in a local community lab or formal course to learn aseptic technique, sample handling, and experimental documentation under supervision. Plan experiments with clear goals, select approved, non-regulated species, and follow established protocols for labeling, containment, and disposal so your learning is responsible and minimizes environmental or health impacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.